Welcome aboard the Yamaha 190 and 195 series, where 19-foot boats are redefined with exceptional space, functionality, and pure fun. With 5 dynamic models to choose from, each boat delivers an exceptional blend of features, performance, and affordability that sets it apart as an outstanding value that you'll enjoy for years. These boats, which come complete with trailer, are not only easy to own and tow, but also fit perfectly in a standard garage, making them a practical choice. The series starts with the sleek SX190 and the tower-equipped AR190, each powered by Yamaha's robust 200 horsepower, 1.9-liter high-output marine engine, the biggest displacement motor you'll find in any jet boat today. Need more power? Step up to the SX195 and AR195, which feature Yamaha's 250 horsepower, 1.8-liter supercharged marine engine and a host of premium features for a more refined boating experience. And at the pinnacle of performance and refinement, the 195S model leads the pack. It's loaded with high-end touches like marine mat snap-in flooring, a vibrant 7-inch Connect display, top-notch Hertz marine audio, a folding wakeboard tower, a bimini top for shade, and a handy windshield mirror. Each of these models boasts a 19-foot, 5-inch hull designed for precise handling and a smooth ride. The thoughtfully designed cockpit maximizes space for both passengers and gear, ensuring everyone aboard is comfortably engaged. And yes, each boat is designed with Yamaha's signature swim platform, a fantastic lounging spot equipped with padded backrests, easy access to the boat's patented jet pump cleanout port, and comes pre-installed with the mounting hardware for optional swim-up seats. Yamaha's jet drive system is neatly tucked inside the boat, removing the hassle of an exposed lower unit and propeller. This setup allows for quick handling and minimal draft, so you can glide through shallow waters where other boats wouldn't dare. Plus, with features like Yamaha's articulating keel for improved low-speed control and the quiet cruise system to minimize noise, your ride is stress-free and more serene. Interested in making waves with your own Yamaha 19-foot sport boat? Explore our full range at yamahaboats.com.